Buying a new coin can give you 1000x profit with minimum investment. What coin you should buy today you will get in this video. So watch the video till the end. Hello and welcome guys. In this video we will learn how to buy Safespace coin to get 1000x profit with minimum investment. So let's get started. Safespace is the new coin you can buy with minimum investment $10, $20 to $50. Safespace is the new recently added coin. You can come to safespacecrypto.net, its official website, and you can check all its information, all its detail, what Safespace are going to do. So in menu, at first you need to read all the white paper in order to get more information about Safespace. So read the white paper. Then in home page scroll down. Safespace is listed and you can buy it on 1inch exchange, Pancakeswap, Tools, PSC scan. Although Safespace is going to list on Bitmart 20 May 2021. So I think if you buy this coin today, till tomorrow you will get much profit. If we come to Safespace stats, you can check its current price, market cap, liquidity locked, holders. For now, in one day, not in one day, in 2 hour or 3 hour, Safespace has 12,000 holders till now. So think these projects you can see this to the moon. Okay, 100% community driven. Buy Safespace and hold. This coin is for long term. Buy today and hold for a month or 1 year to get much profit. Okay, here you can view the contract address because Safespace is not listed yet on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Therefore you should click on here and copy the contract address in order to buy it on decentralized exchange. So if we talk about total supply, the total supply is too much, and token name is Safespace. Automatic LP you will get 5%. If anyone sell their coin, then you get 5% of the coin. And then if we see its roadmap, you can see 2021 rocket launch, the detail. You can check its website, join its community Telegram and Twitter, and follow its account and hit the bell icon to get update every day what Safespace is going to announce or going to launch. The best thing about Safespace is they give away card, Tesla model and Porsche. If you hold Safespace, you need to buy this much. Let me show you. Buy and hold minimum 20 billion Safespace, which cost $250 on 10 May, but today it will cost 400. If you buy 400 Safespace, then you might win Tesla car or Porsche. It's your luck. Okay, then post a screenshot in this Telegram group, quote, retweet the announcement, tweet on Twitter, tag 3 your friends. Tesla buy before $50 million, Porsche buy before $35 million. If you sell before the competition ends, you are disqualified. So 30 days remaining, almost one month is remaining for the competition. So if you have funds, just give it a try. Maybe you win this Tesla or Porsche car, which cost billions. Okay, how to buy this Safespace coin? Simply go to home page. You can buy this on Pancakeswap version 2. Simply you need to click on how to buy or buy on Pancakeswap. Click buy on Pancakeswap. I will give the link on description. You can simply click the link. Okay, this is the Safespace contract address. You can view on BSC scan, but I understand. Continue. Okay, refresh the page in order to connect your Metamask with Pancakeswap. Okay, my Metamask is connected. Now, maximum, whether you want to buy maximum of your BNB funds or whether you buy half of them, but I want to buy maximum. Before buying Safespace, let's check its chart. Go to bookcoin.app and check Safespace chart. If we come here, let's suppose search Safespace. Okay, now the current price is 1836. This is the buy zone. You can buy now because the all-time price is 20,000, near to 30,000, so it will touch the high level price. You can sell this if it break out its high level price, or you can hold for a month or 1 year to get double and triple profit. Oh no, the high price is not 30,000. Let me check the high price. High price is 70,000, near to 80,000. So it means it will touch 80,000 whether today or after 1 week. I'm not a financial advisor. Research, search yourself, then buy this coin. If you are in loss in future, don't tell me that you said buy this Safespace coin, it will give you much profit. This video is for your knowledge. I'm providing a knowledge. I'm telling you about new project, new coin. Buying the coin, selling the coin, it depends on you. So let's buy this coin. Almost it's going upward. So if we check the chart, the price is on uptrend. The chart looks uptrend. So I want to buy all my funds. Swap, click on swap, confirm swap. If you face this error, simply come the last amount, just do like this. Okay, or click maximum because the price is going high, that's why. Again, I'm facing problem. Then just simply click one. What's the problem with this? Okay, the price just come down. Pancakeswap maximum swap, confirm swap. Again, I'm facing problem. It means just increase the fees, increase the transaction fee. 12. Now I won't face this error, promise. Swap, confirm swap. Here you see the Metamask transaction. Simply confirm, close, wait a minute to confirm the transaction. Okay, finally we just bought Safespace. Here you can see the Safespace. If we check its price on USDT, okay, we have $41 of Safespace. Okay, for now we will hold. I'm holding this coin. I'm holding this coin for a week or a month to get more profit. So this is the method you can check, or you can buy how to buy a Safespace coin on Pancakeswap. You can join its Twitter, follow Twitter account, and its chart. You can see the chart of this coin. Then you can join its Telegram. So this video is just end up here. If you have any question, ask me in a comment. I will answer your comment, or I will answer your question, what you are facing problem. So if you like this video, just hit the like button. Okay, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. Okay, for now, goodbye. See you till the next video.